live on the farm. They are pigs, they are sheep, they are horses, they are cows, they are ducks, they are ducks, and they all live on the farm.
Little baby, now it's time to rest. The day is done and night has blessed. Tomorrow brings new adventures, new things to see. But for now, sweet dreams, little one, sleep peacefully. The world outside may be noisy and bright, but in mommy's arms you'll find your quiet night. We'll rock you gently till you're fast asleep, and wake up in the morning with a smile so sweet. So hush, little baby, don't be afraid. Mommy's love will always stay by your side. You're a precious gift sent from above, and we'll cherish you with all our heart and love. Oh hush, little baby, now it's time to